Hello guys, welcome to this video. Let's talk today about this Flexstop. This is a motorized desk. I got it from Amazon. I've been using for a while and I like it because I can sit down and work, and I can also stand up and work as well because I can just control here pressing some buttons. As you can see here, there are buttons that you can control. So you press to go up and down, and also there are some memories here, okay? Let me just click here. As you can see, it goes up. Okay, and you click the other one, it goes down. So pretty easy. And if you like some of the spots here, you just come here and you press the button to memorize it. Let's say, for example, this is number 2. So I click here and I press and hold, and it's going to memorize here as the number 2. Okay, so pretty easy. And then when I click here number 1, for example, it goes up. This one is for the top, so it's going up, up, up. It's going to reach the limit here at the top and then start coming down when I press to come down, of course, right? So it stays here. Here is the top. And then when I press here, number 4 is the option for going down as lowest as it can go, okay? So again, coming down. It's a very good pace to go up and down. The motor is running there. It's silent. It's not that loud. And now it's down. Okay. And back here to the position. Let's say memory number 2. I guess the last one I could set up here. You can see it's coming back to the memorized position that I let here. Okay. So very, very, very good. Very useful. And there is a drawer here, so you can open and put your stuff. And I'm also already put some trays there to hold the cables. It doesn't come with the trays, I put it there. So that's the way it comes without trays. You just assemble this. It's pretty easy to assemble. There's the instructions with the menu, and you're good to go, okay? So it's pretty good. I like also the finishing here. So it's very good. And I can also put some desk mat that I bought also from Amazon here, and it makes it different, okay? So I pretty much like it, and I recommend it. Go get yours on Amazon.